Struggling to carry all your tools in one trip without losing or damaging them? Here are the 5 best tool backpacks I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, UUP Heavy Duty Tool Backpack. Let's kick things off with the UUP Heavy Duty Tool Backpack. Priced at $71.10, this bag instantly caught my eye with its rugged, heavy-duty design. If you want a solid, organized way to carry your tools around, this is worth a serious look. This backpack is made from tough 1680D Oxford fabric, which means it's built to last and can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The 30-liter capacity is impressive too, featuring 20 pockets for all your tools plus a special sleeve for your laptop. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're an electrician or a construction worker, being organized can save you time and frustration on the job. Plus, the waterproof molded bottom keeps your tools safe from spills and rain, a big plus if you often work outdoors. Now, some people complained about the weight of this bag when fully loaded. Here's the thing though, if you're carrying a lot of tools, some weight is inevitable. It's designed to hold a lot, so it's a trade-off. Just be aware that if you plan to carry it for long periods, it might feel a bit heavy. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and spacious bag to organize a ton of tools. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight or don't have many tools to carry. Honestly, at $71.10, it offers great value for what you get. Now, if the weight of the UUP backpack bothered you, the next one takes a different approach and might be right up your alley. Product number 2, Riksmika Tool Bag Backpack. Next up is the Riksmika Tool Bag Backpack, also priced at $71.10. What stood out to me was its thoughtful organization. It's like a toolbox that you can carry on your back. If you need a well-structured backpack to keep your tools organized, this is definitely worth a look. This backpack features a large main compartment with various slots and pockets, making it easy to see and grab your tools without rummaging around. With 3 additional pouches for smaller items, you can keep everything sorted. This design is especially useful if you're an electrician or repairman who needs quick access to different tools. The padded straps also help ease shoulder pressure, which is a big deal during a long workday. However, some users mention that the zippers can be a bit stiff at first. I get that it can be annoying, but honestly, once they break in, they work fine and the durability of the bag makes it a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you prioritize organization and comfort while working. Skip this one if you prefer a more minimalistic design without additional pouches. For $71.10, it's a smart investment for anyone serious about their tools. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a versatile carrying experience. Product number 3, Marskamdi Heavy Duty Tool Backpack. Coming in at $81.83, we've got the Marskamdi Heavy Duty Tool Backpack. The first thing that caught my attention was its hard bottom and multiple pockets, making it both sturdy and practical. If you want a backpack that stands on its own, this could be your top choice. Made of 1680D ballistic material, this bag is tough as nails. The solid rubber bottom allows it to stay upright, which is vital when you need to access your tools quickly without it tipping over. Plus, it has a dedicated laptop sleeve for those who need their tech on the job. The design also includes a USB port for charging devices, which is a standout feature for those always on the go. One downside, though, is that its weight can be a bit much once fully loaded. If you're not used to carrying heavy loads, it might take some getting used to. But once you see how much it can hold and keep organized, it might be a trade-off you're willing to make. This is perfect for you if you want a bag that combines durability with modern features. Skip this one if you're not a fan of heavier packs and prefer something lighter for short jobs. At $81.83, you're getting a lot of functionality packed into one durable backpack. Now, if the weight of the Marskamdi backpack is a concern, the next product is lighter while still being effective. Product number 4, XINHESDEN Heavy Duty Tool Backpack. Next, let's talk about the XINHESDEN Heavy Duty Tool Backpack, priced at an attractive $43.95. This one caught my eye for its affordability and sturdy construction. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality, this one is worth considering. It stands upright thanks to its thickened molded base, which prevents your tools from spilling everywhere. With 12 pockets and a large main compartment, you'll have plenty of space to keep everything organized. Plus, the reflective strips enhance visibility when working in low-light conditions, which is a nice safety touch. Some users have pointed out that it might not be as spacious as more expensive options. I'll be real with you, if you have a lot of tools, you might find it a bit lacking. But for basic needs, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need a reliable bag that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you have a more extensive tool collection that needs accommodating. At $43.95, it's a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Now, if you want something that combines robustness and a bit more capacity, the last product is designed for you. Product number 5, WEOS Heavy Duty Waterproof Tool Backpack. Finally, we have the WEOS Heavy Duty Waterproof Tool Backpack, priced at $47.83. This one really impressed me with its 18 pockets and thoughtful design features. If you're looking for a well-organized bag for all your tools, this one deserves your attention. Made from 1680D fabric, it's waterproof and oil-proof, which means you can take it anywhere without worrying about the elements. The open-wide design makes it easy to access long tools, while the multitude of pockets means you can keep everything organized without any clutter. Plus, the heavy-duty zippers and reinforced buckles ensure that this bag can take a beating. On the downside, some people found that the bag could be a bit bulky when fully loaded. I get it. If you prefer a slim profile, this might feel cumbersome. However, if you need all those pockets and durability, it could be worth the extra bulk. This is perfect for you if you work in various conditions and need a reliable bag to carry a lot of tools. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and compact. For $47.83, it's a great value for the level of functionality you get. Now let's wrap this up and see how these options stack up against each other. In summary, we've covered 5 solid tool backpacks today. The UUP Heavy Duty stands out for its durability, while the Reiksmika offers organization. The Marskamdi is perfect for those who want modern features, and the XINHESDEN is budget-friendly. Finally, the WEOS is great for heavy-duty needs. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the UUP Heavy Duty Tool Backpack because it combines capacity and ruggedness perfectly. Avoid the Marskamdi if weight is a major concern for you. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.